Right, Lowboi, the handbrake doesn't work, so we're going to fix it. Wrong size. Nice. And to get to the back, we need a 7mm on the rear of these. Now we need a 6mm. 6mm. Oh, fell out. On here. Hammer. Brake disc. This is your handbrake adjustment. As you can tell, mine is a bit stiff. I mean, there's some pad left on there, so it's not too bad. But this is basically how it works. It's a drum brake, and it just expands when you obviously tighten it. So this here is the culprit. It starts to focus. Oh yeah. What you have here is a screw thread in here. As you extend it, then this pushes apart, which then makes your handbrake well, work effectively. And the issue I've got with this is this bolt seems to be seized in some description, because this I cannot get it to turn at all, and that was the issue I was having when it was in the car. I mean, as you can tell, I'll show you in a second, but the handbrake has, or the handbrake shoe has rust around the pad, so quite clearly it has not been on or working. I think that might have been the issue as to why the handbrake is very poo. Right, we got it fixed. So effectively what happens is two pieces go in here, you spin this. Ooh. Come on, focus. Spin this, that extends like that, and then that is how you tighten your cable. I do apologise, I don't know why it keeps going out of focus, it's very stupid, but that's effectively how it works. So I'm going to put that back in, and now that it's loose, hopefully we have a working handbrake. Right, now that that's in, hopefully you can see this. When you spin this, obviously it extends, and that means you should have a working handbrake, which is nice, isn't it? The other side I think is okay, so I shouldn't need to do anything with that. But what I'll do is I will get this sorted, because what you should actually do is, this thing gears so I can't move it, but you line up these holes with it. So once you take out a wheel bolt, you can see and it lines up with it, obviously when this is kind of over that way, and then from there you have your screwdriver in it, and that's how you tighten a stupid BMW handbrake. Alright, let's give this a bash. So I just took it off because I think it might need a little bit of a pre-adjustment before we start, because it is obviously quite out. Line those up. sure that's tight. Right. What I have to do, take it out of gear. So the handbrake's just on 3 clicks at the moment. As you can tell, it still moves quite a lot. So we're just gonna wind that. So what I'm doing, which is probably a bit of an easier way of doing it, is adjusting as I go. Because I think this is like never ever been done. So if I can do it here, it makes it a lot easier. So I think it needs quite a lot. These shoes they're not low, but they're not high. Still feel when we put it on that we can spin it, and we shouldn't be able to at all. So we'll just keep doing that. Because effectively what they do is they sit on the inside here. You can see a bit of the scoring marks. The fact it's getting harder to put on is a good sign. Right. Finally happy with that. Put these back in. Just so that up a little bit. I'll tighten it later properly, but we're just going to make sure it works first. Right, that's looking better. And it is. Wow, I got it spot on straight away. Nice. It's not going to focus, but yeah, that's that kind of sorted, which is good. Things I've used, obviously the Ravenol rust remover, the MOS2, as it's called, yeah, always call it the MSO2 or the M2S, I can't remember what I call it. 5% discount in the link as well. But that's how to fix a BMW handbrake that's not working. Right, that is the falling over handbrake sorted. Obviously that was all done because it needs an MOT and because the handbrake has never really worked. You'll also notice that it has 2 different alloys on it. So these are the alloys off the 320 SI. There they are. And the reason why they're off is because the camber is all wrong on this. As you can tell. Yeah, there's a lovely little bit of tread there, loads of tread, but not here. And the tyres that are on it currently are doing the same thing. So we get the camber sorted, but I'll do that when I get new tyres, so it's all done in one go. So we'll get this booked in for an MOT. Then I'll get some new rear tyres on it straight away, because I want, obviously these are PS5s which I want back on it, and I want these alloys back on it so it looks good. So that's fixing Lowboi. I've got dirt probably everywhere. It's quite an easy job to do the rear handbrakes on these cars, so yeah, that'll do it. And do some more stuff on it, because she, even though she's Lowboi, is a bit of a trooper, the older high mileage E91. So yeah, keep checking it out.